what they are waging against the Indian occupation. And we have fought 3 wars for Kashmir. To the Muslims of the Gaza also. Every kind of support that has been extended, and it is Pakistan, in the strongest possible words have been used by Pakistan for the Muslims of the Gaza and Palestine. So it's not a question of when will Pakistan rise. It is no more a question. Pakistan has already started rising. The question is how fast and how quickly can you rise? That is the question. And we will definitely guide this country to occupy its rightful position in the Committee of the Nations. If you come across difficulty, face it. Stand before that difficulty and overcome that difficulty. And chart out your path toward that destiny which Allah Ta'ala has promised you. And we will reach there, inshallah, regardless of all these difficulties. Pakistan, Hamesha Zindabad. My dear brothers and sisters and sons and daughters, please don't forget this story of Pakistan. And don't forget to narrate this story of Pakistan to your next generation, so that their bond with Pakistan, it never weakens. Whether it is the 3rd generation or the 4th generation or the 5th generation, they know that what Pakistan is for them. आज तक इंसानियत की तारीख में सिर्फ 2 रियासतें हैं जो कलमे की बुनियाद पर बनी हैं। पहली जो थी उसका नाम है रियासत तैयबा, क्योंकि तैयबा जो है वो नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने उसको नाम दिया था, और जबकि कुरान में उसका नाम है यसरब, या अहले यसरबा ला मुकाम लकुम फरजिउ, ये कुरान में नाम है उसका, जो आज जिसको मदीना अल मुनव्वरा कहा जाता है। और दूसरी रियासत जो है वो उसके 1300 साल के बाद अल्लाह ताला ने ये आपकी बनाई है, कलमे की बुनियाद के ऊपर। Whatever little bit of the terrorism which is taking place in the country, and the people say, and the people they are mostly propagating, that with this kind of security situation there won't be any investment coming to Pakistan. Well, to them, they must hear me very clearly now. You think terrorists, they can take away the destiny of the country from us? If this great Pakistani nation and the Pakistani armed forces, if 1.3 million Indian army with all their wherewithal, if they cannot intimidate us and they cannot coerce us, these terrorists can subdue the armed forces of Pakistan. और बलूचिस्तान जो है, जो कि पाकिस्तान की डेस्टिनी है, ठीक है, जो कि पाकिस्तान के माथे का झूमर है, तुम 1500 बंदे कहोगे कि जी हम इसको ले जाएंगे, तुम्हारी अगली 10 नस्लें भी नहीं लेके जा सकती। Inshallah, you will see that we will beat the hell of these terrorists very soon. Balochistan, you think this 1500 people belonging to BLA and BLF and BRA, etc., can take away Balochistan from us? We have those brave fathers that who proudly shoulder the funeral of their sons and take them to the graves. Pakistan will not fall. And for as long as we have those brave mothers that who proudly sacrifice their sons for the sake of the country, Pakistan will not fall. आपके मुल्क के सिक्योरिटी के इदारों को, those that who are sacrificing their lives on daily basis for your safety and security and for the well-being and defense of the country, जो उनको belittle करता है, he